Alright, I am back now. The manual says that is a 12 millimeter nut. I pretty confident that is a 13. Alright, here I got a 12. It does not fit. Okay, those are 13 millimeter nuts. I couldn't find my second 3/8 ratchet, so I had to settle for a 1/2-inch drive. One mistake I did do is the Turbine Solutions manual does say to not remove this oil line from the back cap. They say to run the line through the hole here and actually remove it from this Fiesta fitting right here. And be careful not to kink it. If you kink it, you can pinch the oil supply off and you'll burn up your gearbox, and then all that's not covered under warranty. So I have to pay attention and make sure this does not leak. He says it's very easily damaged. So I may end up having, I'll probably just replace this line before I put it in the model. So my mistake, I'll own up to it. So alright, so it looks like we're ready to tighten this nut down.
Motion detected at your front door.
I should have muted my phone, I think. Alright, that one's on tighten. This one's on tighten. That's probably all we need right there. We'll lay that back down, set this so I don't knock it through my screen. And now I gotta check the run out of our hub, and if you have to remove this hub, Miniature Aircraft sells a clutch tool. It works on the gassers, it works on most of their models, and to remove this hub, it screws into your 2 screws here, and then it has a pusher bolt, and it'll suck that hub right off. So once you tighten this nut down, it pretty well locks it on there. And yeah, so alrighty, so I am going to test the run out on this real quick. It says to do a dial indicator, and let me see here. Well, alright, let's go back to the Whiplash manual. Let's see. Alright, right here it says run out should be less than 15 thousandths. That's 0.015 millimeters. If you have more than that, gummit, it says to remove the hub and rotate the hub by 90 degrees. So you would remove it, you'd keep your output shaft still, you would remove the hub, spin it 90 degrees, and reinstall it and see what happens. So I am gonna do that off camera, and I'll come back.